Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Liya's Journal. Today I'm going to share a very special recipe, Muttapathill. This recipe is my hometown Mahe special. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first I have taken here 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have also added some salt to taste. Now let's add water little by little and knead it into a dough. From the dough, make some balls like these. On the countertop, place the small balls of the dough. Using a rolling pin, flatten it. Now fold it from all 4 sides to the center. So it's very simple. Take a small ball of dough, flatten it, then fold it to the center from all 4 sides to get a square shape like this. Now let's flatten this square shaped dough. After it is evenly flattened, spread some oil to it. Bring all 4 corners to the center and join it. Make sure you press the sides properly. Here it is ready. It's time for piri edukkal. I don't know what we call it in English, but let's call it as twisting. In this manner, twist it from all 4 sides. Flip it over. Now for the last time, flatten it using a rolling pin. In the shape of a square, flatten it evenly. It's time for the first fry. Remember, while frying, fry it until it becomes just semi-cooked, not more than that. So this is how it looks like. Meanwhile, please make some sugar syrup for the muttapathill. In a plate, take this semi-cooked muttapathill, crack the egg and pour it in a small cup like this. Make a hole at the center of the muttapathill. Now pour the egg carefully inside the muttapathill. It's ready for the second fry. Place it in the hot frying pan filled with oil. Press the center so that oil does not seep in. Once the egg is nicely cooked and you feel it's well fried from the one side, flip it over and let the next side cook. So the tasty Mahe special Muttapathill is ready to serve. Muttapathill is always served with sugar syrup. So my sugar syrup is ready and we're gonna pour this. Make sure you cut the center a little bit so that the sugar syrup seep inside. I hope you like this evening snack recipe which is from my hometown Mahe. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Liya's Journal.